Welcome back to our channel. This is Lakshmi Shankar Sirugudi. Today we are learning simple airport travel vocabulary with Telugu meanings and easy English meanings. After that, I will tell you a short story about a girl traveling alone for the first time. In the story, I will highlight all the vocabulary words. Let's begin. Airport, airport, Vimanasrayam, place where plane take off and land. Passport, passport, travel identification book. Boarding pass, boarding pass, entry ticket to get on a plane. Check-in, check-in, register before traveling. Counter, counter, service desk. Terminal, terminal, airport building section. Departure, departure, బయలుదేరుట, leaving place. Arrival, arrival, చేరిక, coming to a place. Security check, security check, భద్రతా తనిఖీ, safety inspection. Luggage, luggage, సామాను, bags and suitcases. Baggage, baggage, samanu, another word for luggage. Carry on bag, cheti samanu, small bag to take inside. Gate, gate, waiting area to board flight. Flight, flight, vimanam, airplane journey. Airline, airline, company that runs flights. Immigration, immigration, passport checking process. Customs, customs, goods checking process. Queue, queue, line of people. Visa, visa, permission to visit a country. Seat, seat, seatu, place to sit. విండో సీట్, విండో సీట్, కిటికీ పక్కన సీటు. సీట్ నియర్ విండో. ఐల్ సీట్, ఐల్ సీట్, మార్గం పక్కన సీటు. సీట్ నియర్ వాక్వే. పైలట్, పైలట్, పర్సన్ హూ ఫ్లైస్ ద ప్లేన్. క్యాబిన్ క్రూ, క్యాబిన్ క్రూ, క్యాబిన్ సిబ్బంది. హెల్పర్స్ ఇన్సైడ్ ప్లేన్. Boarding, boarding, getting on the plane. Take off, take off, plane going up. Landing, landing, plane coming down. Delay, delay, ఆలస్యం, late time. Ticket, ticket, pass to travel. Reservation, reservation, booking beforehand. Schedule, schedule, planet timings. Travel insurance, travel insurance, prayana bhima, protection for travel. Suitcase, suitcase, big travel bag. Tag, tag, label on luggage. Conveyor belt, conveyor belt, moving the belt for bags. Information desk, information desk, samacharam desk. Help center. Map, map, direction guide. Shuttle, shuttle, small transport vehicle. Terminal transfer, terminal transfer, terminal marpu, moving between terminals. Announcement, announcement, prakatana, public message. Boarding time, boarding samayam, time to enter plane. Travel document, travel document, prayana patram, passport or ID. Lost and found, lost and found, lost item office. Currency, currency, country's money. exchange, exchange, marpidi, change money, seat belt, seat belt, safety belt, tray table, tray table, small folding table, overhead bin, overhead bin, storage above seat, arrival hall, arrival hall, Cherika hall, place after landing, taxi, taxi, car for hire. It was a bright morning when a 19-year-old girl named Anika reached the airport for the very first time. She was traveling alone to another city to meet her aunt. She held her passport and ticket tightly in her hand, feeling both excited and nervous. At the check in counter, she showed her documents and dropped her luggage. The staff gave her a boarding pass and told her the gate number. Anika smiled with relief. Her journey had officially begun. Next, she joined the queue for the security check when her carry on bag passed through the scanner. An officer politely asked her to remove a water bottle. Anika felt shy, but she said, "Sorry, first time." The officer smiled and said, "It's okay, happens to many travelers." After the check, she looked at the airport map to find the terminal and her gate, but she still got confused and walked in the opposite direction. A kind cabin crew member saw her and said, "The gate you are looking for is this way." Anika thanked her and walked quickly. Soon she heard an announcement. "Attention passengers, flight 6A to Chennai is now ready for boarding." Her heart started beating fast. At the gate, she saw people showing their travel documents and entering. When her turn came, she felt her hand shake a little, but the staff smiled and guided her. Inside the plane, she looked for her seat and was happy to find she got a window seat. She placed her bag in the overhead bin and sat down. The pilot made an announcement welcoming everyone. As the plane started takeoff, Anika gripped her seatbelt, feeling a mix of fear and wonder. But when she saw the clouds outside the window, she relaxed. During the flight, she opened her tray table and wrote in her diary, "I can't believe I'm traveling alone. I'm stronger than I thought." After some time, the plane prepared for landing. She felt a small bump as the plane touched the ground. Her excitement returned. In the arrival hall, she waited near the conveyor belt to collect her suitcase. But her bag didn't show up for a long time. Worried, she went to Lost and Found. They asked for her bag tag number and said, "Your luggage is coming in the next batch." 5 minutes later, her bag arrived. Anika smiled with relief. Outside, she exchanged her currency at the exchange counter and took a taxi to her aunt's house. As the taxi moved, she looked out of the window and whispered to herself, "This journey taught me something. I can face small challenges on my own. This is just the beginning. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this airport travel vocabulary lesson and story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.